Yo, what is going on, car people of this world? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. Today, all eyes are gonna be on my Porsche Boxster. Wow, the window there was really glaring. It's funny, I've had this car for probably close to 6 months now, and I think I've only filmed 1 or 2 videos on this thing at the absolute most. This car is an absolute blast, and honestly, for the price range, you should seriously consider it if you're looking to get your first sports car. Yeah, this is definitely considered a sports car. Nowhere near supercar level, but let me tell you, this thing is just so much fun. Today we're gonna go over the top 3 reasons why you should get a Porsche Boxster for your first sports car. So a few things to note about this car for those of you who do not know. This is a 1998 Porsche Boxster. It is the convertible. This car has 88,000 miles on it, and it's pretty much bone stock, in exception to we got limo tint everywhere, and it looks absolutely sick. So we're gonna hop in here real quick, go for a nice little cruise on this beautiful day, and we'll chat about why you should get a Porsche Boxster. All right, for point number 1, we are gonna talk about the handling and just the driving experience of this car. So if we take a look around on the side, as many of you know, this is a mid-engine car. So the engine literally sits right here, which makes it incredible for how much space you have. I'm 6'4" and fit in this car perfectly. And we still have a ton of trunk space in the front. Up in here, we actually even have our spare tire in here, and we even have more in the back. So this car has an immense amount of space for what it is. Obviously, one of the greatest parts about this car is the fact that it has the 5-speed manual transmission. This thing is so much fun. This is not the fastest car, let me tell you right now. I'll be very clear, it's not the fastest. It's very zippy, but the manual trans, it's just amazing. It increases the driving experience exponentially. Obviously, we have the convertible as well, which I mentioned earlier. This broke about 4 months ago, and Porsche quoted me an unbelievably high number to get it replaced. We'll talk about that in a different video. But the top-down experience with the manual transmission makes this thing an absolute beast. We are on our way to what we call the local Nürburgring. It is an incredible route with windy roads, and it really brings out all the best features on the Porsche. The handling is very good, that's for sure. You can't really pick it up on camera. It's something you just have to experience yourself. Going for a ride in one of these things is an absolute blast. And what's crazy is, like, this is the poor man's Porsche. Like, this is the bottom of the line, and I absolutely love it. I'm not ripping on the Boxster, but it only goes up from here. So if you can get your hands on a 911 or a GT, anything, dude, you are looking so good. So good. But for the money and the experience, Boxster, 10 out of 10, let me tell you. Reason number 2 that you should get yourself a Porsche Boxster, and I don't say this in a vain way, I don't say this in an attention-seeking sense, but seriously, simply because this is a Porsche, people just see it differently. The conversations that you can have at car shows, the doors that get opened, it's just interesting. Unfortunately, we live in a world where status is like above almost everything, and when people see Porsche, they see name brand that is associated with expensive, regardless of the fact that this car is not expensive. It's just seen differently. So this car receives way more attention than it deserves. It might surprise you as to what doors will open in your life simply because you have a Porsche. Take a look at that sunset over the lake. Absolutely incredible. Reason number 3 you should pick up a Porsche Boxster is because they are relatively cheap. For the Porsche, for the engineering, I mean, this thing, you can get them for right around 10 grand, like 8 to 15,000. You can pick yourself up an incredible Porsche Boxster. These things are so worth it for the money. Absolute blast. And look at this thing, man. It looks so sick. Absolutely incredible. Highly recommend it. If you're looking for your first sports car, budget, Porsche Boxster all the way. So there you go. There are 3 reasons why you should pick yourself up a Porsche Boxster. If you were sitting on the fence and now you're pushed over, let me know down in the comments, or if there's anything else you want to know about this car in specific. To be honest with you, it's harder to film because it doesn't have a ton of features. It's very bare bones, and it's just a sports car. It's meant to be driven around and, you know, take it to the track and have fun with it. Where the Lexus, a little bit easier to film the Lexus because it has so many features and all sorts of stuff. But this one, I have to say, it was a little bit hard to come up with the top 3 reasons why you should purchase. But 10 out of 10, absolutely love this car. It is just so much fun. If you haven't seen the video where I go and purchase this car last year, definitely go take a look at that. I will leave it linked up in the top right corner.